Did you know that one of the most common kitchen appliances was discovered entirely by accident? The microwave oven, now a staple in millions of homes worldwide, was the result of a serendipitous moment that transformed the way we prepare food forever. This is more than just a kitchen convenience story. It is a tale of discovery, innovation, and how a single moment changed the way we cook. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer working for the Raytheon Corporation, was conducting radar experiments when something extraordinary happened. As Spencer stood near a radar device, he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued by this strange occurrence, he immediately began experimenting with various foods. Soon, Spencer discovered that microwaves from the radar machine were responsible for the rapid heating. Realizing the potential, he tested popcorn and an egg, both of which cooked rapidly before his eyes. The egg, in fact, exploded during the test, marking a turning point in his exploration of this unexpected heat source. Spencer's discovery was monumental. It showed that microwave energy could be harnessed for cooking, paving the way for a new invention. In 1947, Raytheon produced the first commercial microwave oven, though it was a towering, expensive machine initially used by restaurants and industrial kitchens. Early microwaves were bulky and cost-prohibitive for average consumers, but that did not stop Spencer's invention from revolutionizing food preparation. Over time, as technology advanced, microwaves became smaller, more affordable, and accessible to households across the globe. By the 1970s, microwaves had entered millions of homes, offering unprecedented convenience. What once took hours could now be done in minutes, forever changing how we approached meal preparation. As the microwave's popularity grew, so did its uses. No longer just for reheating leftovers, people began experimenting with cooking entire meals in this high-speed wonder. From popcorn to full-course dinners, the microwave opened up a new culinary frontier. This humble accident proved to be one of the most transformative discoveries in modern history. Beyond food, microwaves have since been used in medicine, communications, and other fields. Today, you cannot walk into a kitchen without seeing Spencer's legacy shining brightly on the countertop. The microwave is a symbol of how chance encounters can ignite groundbreaking innovations. With this knowledge in mind, do not take your microwave for granted. If you have never used a microwave for more than just reheating leftovers, it is time to discover its full potential. Experiment with new recipes, try cooking full meals, and embrace the future of fast and efficient cooking. It is incredible how one accidental discovery can change the world. So next time you press that start button, remember, you are using a piece of history that began with a melted chocolate bar. Now that you know the remarkable history of the microwave, do not miss the opportunity to upgrade your cooking game. Take action today and explore the endless possibilities this incredible invention offers.